Tacloban.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Intertown Basketball Girls. Calbayog City versus LNU Tacloban City. For the Fiesta Barangay Santo Niño, Kinapundan San Samar. Third quarter. Number 7 Abelino to number 26. Yes. Number 26. Nice pass by number 7. First basket of third quarter. Number 10.
Official running score 26-30. 4-point lead by Calbayog. This is shoot number 24. Sayang. Rebound number 1. Pass number 30. Nasa captain ball. The captain ball jersey number 7 to number 26.
Wala.
Layer. Number 24. Sini Corrado. Basket. Shoot. Another turnover for LNU Tacloban. Mga tag-tres. 1, 2, 3.
May ano.
6 minutos, 40 segundos.
Babalik.
Number 26. Muntik ng bagan. Ball in line is still ball position for LNU Tacloban. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1. Nakakuha ng foul.
Nang tira.
Ng tira. Pasok.
Basket again. Complete the 2 points play.
Number 10 to number 28. Nader. Over number 21. Number 21, Pingoy. Tatawagan ng travel si Pingoy. Jersey number 21. 18 seconds shoot. There's the block by number 1 again. Number 21 ulit. 15 seconds shoot. Number 7, the captain ball. Pinalagay number 15. Number 15, pinasasagay. Another turnover for LNU. Number 4 ngayon, the captain ball. Easy to points. Official running score 37 against 28. 9-point lead ng Kalamangan ng Calbayog. 10 seconds shoot. Number 30 wide open three. Nader. Rebound number 10. Number 24.
Ostayan.
15 seconds shoot.
Calbayog.
Number 4 wide open three. Nader. Rebound number 30. Number 15. Pass number 21. Number 21. Number 24. Number 28. Nader. Number 4 again. Bang! 1, 2, 3. Number 16 to number 15, wide open
Bawi.
three.
Wala.
Nader. Agaw ng rebound.
Jump ball. Bola ng
Ball position, Calbayog. Number 24. Pass to number 4. Tangkap the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim. Wireless pass. Sayang. Nasa kalpal na naman. Ni jersey number 1. Number 16. Wala pa rin. Another jump ball. Ball position, LNU. To shoot. Number 21 turnaround jumper, Nader. Number 4 ngayon. 50 seconds shoot. Number 4. Negative. Rebound ng kanya number 11. Shoot. Number 1, wala pa rin. Mula na 50. Turnover by Calbayog. Number 16. 50 seconds shoot. 10 seconds shoot. Number 1 again. Pasok na. Seconds remaining time for the third quarter. 50 seconds shoot. Number 4 again. Wala na. Dos minutos, G segundos. Number 21. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 15. One minute and 55. Number 14, Never. Rebound number 1. Seconds shoot.
May foul. Time out.
1 minute and 36 remaining time for the third quarter.
1 minute and 36
Official run
seconds.
score. Pareho by 0. 30-40. 10-point lead by Calbayog.
Game. Back to the ball game. Retro. Ang tira, wala.
Foul.
Number 15.
1 minuto, 28. 50 seconds to shoot. Mga tag-tres. Negative. Rebound number 6. Kinaliwa. Negative. Rebound number 15. Pass number 4. Pinasa kay number 24. Number 4, stuck up the ball. Pull-up jumper. Negative. Rebound number 16. Wala pa rin. Seconds to play. 50 segundos. Number 12. Nakala number 6. Number 4, back up the ball. Basket to jersey number 4. Segundos. Number 12, Never. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Third quarter.
15. Este es Bakir. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Babawi. That's the end of third quarter.
Time for the third quarter. Natin official running score. 45. 30. 15 point lead by Calbayog.